What if we stopped asking, what disorder does this person have? And started asking, what's driving this person's suffering right now in their life? That's the shift process-based therapy invites us to do. Humans are different. Each one of us has our own life history, strengths, struggles, values, context, and more. When we say Sarah has ADHD, we know that her experience is not the same as Jonas, who also has ADHD. And yet, we often treat them as if they are. What if we had a practical way to personalize treatment, systematically and scientifically, for Sarah, John, and anyone seeking to heal or grow? Process-based therapy gives us just this. Process-based therapy is not a new model or set of techniques. It's a way of thinking about human suffering, prosperity, change, and the beautiful complexity of the human nature. In this crash course, we will walk you through the basics. How to map complexity, how to identify change processes, and how to choose effective interventions suitable to the context. You will see how systems stabilize and how we can help shift them using real-time tools like EMA, insights from evolutionary science, and more. In a world moving towards precision medicine and technology-enhanced care, process-based therapy offers us a way to bring true personalization to every step of the therapeutic process. It's the future of mental health, and it's happening now. Join me with my friends Spaloss and Jonas Foeher from the Association for Contextual Behavioral Sciences Process-Based Therapy Special Interest Group Leadership Circle, and let's imagine and explore the power of process-based therapy together. This episode is brought to you by Process-Based Therapy Special Interest Group at the Association for Contextual Behavioral Sciences. If you're not already an ACBS member, we invite you to join. And if you are, come be part of the PBT SIG. Connect, share, and learn alongside practitioners applying process-based therapy in real-world settings.